Well, good afternoon and welcome back to Adventures with Rosy. Now, some of you may know we're about to go and pick up our brand new caravan in a few weeks, and so the one thing I need to address is towing mirrors. So I went out, jumped online, bought the cheapest clip-on towing mirror I could find, 12 bucks, and it's garbage. They're a pain to put on. You can get some ones that suction cup onto your mirrors. I don't know. So I went online and I found two companies in Australia that make permanent towing mirrors. And the one I decided to go with was the OCAM 4x4 accessories extendable mirror. This beast right here. Now this mirror extends out when you're towing. This bit slides out when you're towing. And when you're just normally driving around town without your caravan, you slide that back in. So you don't have to clip a mirror on, suction cup, that sort of thing. So we're gonna do a quick review of it and then install it and see how it looks compared to the other one I bought. Now, one thing I should say up the top is this video is not sponsored by OCAM 4x4 accessories. I wish it was, but I did pay for them. There were kind of two options on the internet, and these were nearly half the price of their competitor, and I cannot tell any difference. So there were two companies in Australia that sold them. One was literally half the price of the other. So I don't know what you're getting for twice the money, but this seemed to be the best price point for the best quality mirror you could buy. They have a huge range of accessories as well, so OCAM, if you want to sponsor me, get in touch. All right, so let's talk about the design of these mirrors. They seem really solid. The box that came was about 12 kgs, I believe, so they're about 6 kgs a piece, easily, which is good. Got a nice big metal frame, obviously a metal plate where they bolt to the car, and the plastic surround feels quite nice. It actually feels a lot higher quality than the mirrors that came with our Isuzu MUX that we use for towing our caravan. Let's get these guys installed. Super simple, took me less than half an hour a mirror, and I was kind of taking my time a bit. 3 screws to take the door panel off the car, 3 bolts to take the old mirror off, and then 3 new bolts to put the new mirror on, and then you just got one plug. So when you order them, they just come with the correct plug for your vehicle. You just key in the year in your vehicle and away you go. Super easy to install. I'm very impressed with them so far. All right, all installed, under an hour. Let's take them for a spin. I'm keen to see if they are rock solid in the wind when you're going fast, because the old clip-on mirror I had would vibrate a bit. So let's take them for a spin, see how they look. Well, thanks for watching this quick review of the OCAM towing mirrors. Like I said at the top of the episode, we have ordered a brand new caravan that we're going to go and pick up in about 3 weeks now, which is pretty exciting. We're traveling up to Auckland to pick that up, a brand new Jayco Caravan. Super excited about that. Then our plan and our dream is to do a loop of New Zealand, basically. We want to take the kids, take them down to the bottom of South Island, show them this beautiful land we live in, and give them a real appreciation for the outdoors. So that's the plan. If you'd like to come along with that, join us on the adventure, then whack that subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.